This is going to be a quick video on how to create YouTube thumbnails in seconds. Fast, easy, and free. What you're looking at right now is Grok. I'm using this. I've been playing around with this, and I usually use ChatGPT to create my thumbnails. I'm a Plus member, and they create them good, but it takes a while to get them the way you want it. I noticed when I'm playing around with Grok a little bit for the images, they're creating a lot better images, and it's a lot faster. So that's what this video is about. How to use Grok basically to create YouTube thumbnails in seconds. And I'm going to show you what I'm doing here. And I'm going to show you how to turn them into JPG format, which is what YouTube wants. Little tool I use as well. And to get the ball rolling so you can have your YouTube thumbnail up and running in seconds. So what I did right here is I created a few prompts. Don't need them. You can put anything in there. I just wanted to get in depth. Make sure I get the best possible output possible. And what we're going to do is copy this. We're going to go over to Grok, paste that in there, and let it work its magic. And we're going to see what these images are generated, how they look like. And you can see they take them like ChatGPT does them usually one at a time, or they put them two together, so it's kind of messy. This does a lot better job for YouTube thumbnails. And there's not many spelling mistakes in. I'm pretty impressed with it, actually. Look how good these are. These are phenomenal. These are all really good thumbnails right here. So you got this one, stunning thumbnails in seconds. This one, fast and free. And all you do, click on it, save it to your computer, and then I'm going to show you a tool that turns it into a JPG. And that's the format YouTube wants. I think they accept a few other formats, but that's the one I use. So you got all these to choose from. I would pick, ooh, this is tough. Probably this one, the third one, if I had to choose between the four. But they're all, I would say, fourth one. Wow. Then maybe the second one. But the third one's definitely my favorite. So that's it. What you're going to do is, I'm going to pick this one. Save image as. Save it to your computer. Now we're going to go over to Google, and we're going to turn this into a JPG. I just type in picture to JPG. That's all you got to type in. And there's a bunch of different ones that do this, but I use this one. It always comes up first. That's the one I always use. Onlineconvert.com. So you're going to choose your file. That's our picture we just downloaded from Grok. Click start. It's processing the file. And wait for the picture to show up here on the left. It's processing it. You're good to go. You download. And just like that, you have a YouTube thumbnail up and ready for free in literally seconds. So it doesn't take very long. It's free. And you can see how, let me go back here again. We'll show you to you one more time on X. Did I lose it? Let's go back here. I think I might have lost it here. But you've seen the pictures are super high quality, and it doesn't take very long to do. Now, with that being said, I got a free instantly create jaw-dropping YouTube videos with AI. I got a free PDF of the top tools and secrets, as you can see right here. You're going to get a bunch of free, cool stuff to help with your video editing and video marketing. So stop on over to my blog. Link will be below at jaysonlinereviews.com. Pick it up. Let me know where to send it, and I'll send it to you instantly, ASAP. So if you enjoyed this video, it helped you out a lot, gave you some ideas. Like I said, I've been using, let me show you here. Go back here. This is the ChatGPT. I'm a Plus member. I use it all the time. So I like this for creating content or getting answers, or Perplexity for doing that kind of stuff. But for the YouTube thumbnails, Grok's really good. As you can see, it's a lot better than what I'm getting out of the other AI models. So take that for what it is. So if you like this video, hit the like button. Hopefully it was helpful. And subscribe to my YouTube channel for future video updates. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.